Hello everyone, myself Sambhavi Mehta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have brought the most important topic of essay on YouTuber's choice, which is nowadays organized a new essay competition 2021. A future without plastic waste through sustainability and circularity. If you like the essay, click the like button and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start our essay. We can bring change in nature drastic if we do minimize the use of plastic. The use of plastic is deeply embedded in our daily lives in everything from grocery bags and cutlery to water bottles and sandwich wrap. But the quest for convenience has gone too far, and we are failing to use plastics efficiently, wasting valuable resources and harming the environment. A product made from organic fuels and chemical reaction which was dominated in the market many years ago as cheap, durable and good material for use. Today the same plastic has become a problem for the world because as easy as it is easy to make and use, it is many times more difficult to get rid of the waste generated from it. Plastics gives a helping hand, but they are polluting our land. Usually, the municipal corporation either dumps this waste in the landfills or destroys it by burning. The slowly decomposing waste in landfills produces a dangerous greenhouse gas like methane. So, imagine how dangerous the leak would be if the waste was burned directly. If we talk about recycle, then many types of resources are also used in doing that, which harms nature. In such a situation, along with waste management, it is also important that we focus on the minimum use of plastic. Plastic never ends from the earth. It dissolves in soil and water in the form of microplastic and harms our generations. Before this loss becomes a fatal, we must insist on becoming plastic free as soon as possible. Only we humans make waste that nature can't digest. First step in reducing plastic waste is to minimize single-use plastic by supporting a tax on plastic bags, restraint on manufacturing the plastics. Reusing plastics can reduce the demand for new plastics, hence it can act as the natural restraint on plastic. Manufacturing plastic recycling is the process of recovering waste on scrap plastic and reprocessing it into useful products. Today we have to save our earth by recycle the useless stuff, and today we have time for it. If any other material is used in place of plastic, then plastic can be banned, but it has to be done as soon as possible because day by day plastic is hollowing out our environment, and one day it will become a big threat to human existence. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. So thank you, and please like the my video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.